Good luck, bro.
Huh?
Good luck. Oh, I can't remember which side's worse. I like that line. I'm not going to like it in about 2 seconds. Oh, it was going so well. Bogwash, you could always wind him up. A little bit of revs. And a little bit of whoopsie-doo. I should slow down here. It's faster than I normally go. What am I doing? Today we are out on my birthday ride. That's right, it's my birthday. And everyone wanted to come celebrate by having a big old ride. And I think there's like 10 of us. I actually have 10 friends. I can't believe it. Oh! Oh, fucking hell. That was quite hard work. Straight over the bars. Here he comes. Look at that! Oh my god, that's amazing! that is pretty hot. That is pretty hot. Oh my god.
That's blowing up. Yeah, that's cooking up.
Yeah, you might want to leave that for a minute.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's a beautiful setting.
How hot is too hot? Oh fuck, it's cold and hold.
That's hot. It's not very nice, is it? That was class. That's what you get. Fucking idiot. Ralphie's actually fitted heated grips to his Enduro bike today. I thought it was a stupid idea, until right now. And now I'm thinking it's a genius idea because my hands are freezing. I had the time of my life with the boys. Hey, why are you going in front? Oh, see, that's why. Oh, that felt good. That's the best feeling in the world. Oh, I enjoyed that. I'm gonna enjoy that, boy. Oh! Oh! No! Nice! Oh! Yes, Joe! Oh my God! You alright? Oh, don't go in front again. He's gone in front again. I'm having so much fun today. I have a lot of fun every time I ride my bike, but today is something special. I'm going to keep on about it because it's my birthday. Celebrate me. Yay! Oh, I don't like this grass. Can't see anything. I'm nervous. Don't be nervous, be confident. Be the best you can be, the best version of yourself. Oh, I'm like David Goggins today. Winter rides are literally the best. Summer's good because you get really nice views. It's warm. But there's something about wrapping up, riding out with all your friends in some tough conditions and trying to battle your way through. Absolutely love it. Saying that, I'm not really loving this, if I'm honest. Oh, no trees. Ow. A lot of that was painful. In the face. That's fucking steep, isn't it? Bloody hell! It wasn't meant to go like that. Right. Yeah. I remember I used to hop this, but it's a lot bigger. Oh, that's horrendous. Go on, boy. Yes! Where are you going? No. Oh! You alright? Oh my god. And one of the boys on the 450 has got a puncture. So we're heading back, all as a team. We were going to carry on and let him go back by himself, but this is not what we do. We stick together. But anyway, it's been an absolute mega birthday ride. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone. And as always, thanks for watching. Ride safe, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.